here's to show you my terrible luck. Xbox 360 Elite, normal one. Small TV and big TV. Yay! My Elite got ring of death, so I fixed it. Then it broke again, and I fixed it, and then it broke again. So, instead I'm playing Fable 3. Started being pretty loud, probably just because I haven't put the lid back on it. Skip. Skip. This would be much more impressive with my big TV that's behind it, which died for no reason. Because it's a pain in the arse. When I got the ring of death the second time, my friend Rory lent me the old Xbox, and I got it all plugged in. For some reason I couldn't find the channel that it was meant to be on, because I had plugged too many cables in. And then got ring of death. Cool present. I'm only showing you this because I expect it to die in a second. There you go. That's basically it. Nothing happens when I press the thing, and that's because it's dead. Stupid Xbox, piece of shit. So when we're doing that, for the noise, I have this big metal boot thing, and my little ninja. Take off his head, and here's a fan. Ooh, hey, little fan. Turn it on. Ooh, wait. Anyway, not that anyone actually. Whoa, shit. Not that anyone actually cares. You might think it's facing the wrong way. It's actually blowing the air onto it, which sucked out by the fan on the back. I don't know. Either way, it helps. Because this isn't something that it's already overheated once, it's going to die quicker. Screw it, take fan away. There we go. Fucking hell, that took some time. So now I have no Xbox, because that one's shit and that one's shit. But then I suppose I could look in that bag. Oh my god, an Xbox 360! Yeah. Anyway, let's just hope this one doesn't get rid of the dot or whatever. Anyway, it's all plugged in. Yay! Let's see it work. Whoa! 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 And that is the old thingamajigger. Let's just sync. Oh, how the fuck do you sync with this new one? Doo-doo-doo-doo. Is that it? No. Is it somewhere around here? I touch that? No. Interesting. How annoying. Oh, it's already linked. Sick. QWERTY keyboard. If your ultra hard drive is still attached to console, got it. Okay. Anyway, hard drive still attached. If your hard drive came attached to console, skip 3. Don't connect and turn on a controller. Connect one of the transfer cable to the hard drive. Might fit in one way. Like that. Okay, put it on the. Okay, I'll put it there. Connect the other end to the front of the Xbox. Got it. Whoa. Anyway. Oh. In you go. Nope. In you go. until the consent transfer message appears on the screen. Okay. Complete disconnect transfer cable. Paragraph. Health. Informative.